Welcome to the section on the define and translate specifiers. The define specifier is a unary specifier. It takes one operand and it returns a definition according to Google Dictionary. The colon is optional and it can be replaced by a blank space. So for example, if you want to define, say, the word love, you can write define colon love, or you can write define blank space love. Remember that the define shortcut only works with English words. You cannot use logical operators when you use the define shortcut, otherwise it's going to break its functionalities. When you use the define shortcut, it's going to provide you with more information about the word. You also can get additional information about the word, such as its etymological rule and its recurrence over time on Google. The translate specifier is a binary specifier. It takes two operands, the word that you want to translate and the target language. The colon is optional. It can be replaced by a blank space. For example, you can write translate blank space love blank space French. It's going to translate love in French. Like for the define specifier, you cannot apply logical operators to translate. It's going to break its functionalities. Remember that the translator is based on Google Translate's API, so it has the same limitations. Thanks for having watched this lecture on the define and translate specifiers. I hope that you see there are useful shortcuts to get a definition or a translation.